today we have two teams, a boy and a girl team. So they will discuss which thing is better. So let's start.
That is based on wisdom, simplicity, and real humanity.
You can easily identify by the names advanced and olds.
It can destroy human health very badly.
We can restore it for so many times, but we cannot store the herbs for so many times.
80% of the world relies on herbal medicine.
But I do not say that medicine has replaced the herbs.
Okay, Assalamu alaikum everyone. So today we have a discussion topic, and our discussion topic is very simple: that which thing is better, our traditions or our advanced things. So today we have two teams, a boy and a girl team. So they will discuss which thing is better. So let's start. So I think boy should start first. So who would start from yourself? Yeah. So Assalamu alaikum to all. It's me Hassan, and this is my team. So I am supporting develop and advance here. So first of all, we have to understand the meaning of develop. Develop means that a new way of doing something. For example, nowadays we have oven, and think that before this era we have no oven, and we have people made food through boards, and nowadays we have oven, we have stock, and we made food early.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I said Assalamu alaikum everyone. This is Munahil in front of you, and today we are here for debating, and our topic is advanced and developed ways versus traditional and old ways, and girls are supporting traditional and old ways. Traditional and old ways means the rule and the rule that followed by our elders, that is wisdom on that is based on wisdom, simplicity, and real humanity.
In previous time, we use herb as in medicine, which has no side effects. But nowadays there are so many medicines which has side effects, and if we overdose it, so it can destroy human health very badly.
Assalamu alaikum, myself Abdullah, and today we are having a debate, you know very well. So she said that we used to herbs as a medicine in the previous time, but we have medicines now. We can restore it for so many times, but we cannot store the herbs for so many time. So if you have answer of it, so please tell me.
As Abdullah said, that herbal medicines are not safe for long period. So don't you know that according to the World Health Organization, 80% of the world relies on herbal medicine. This shows that home remedies and herbal medicine are more effective and safe for human beings.
Assalamu alaikum everyone. I hope you all are doing well. So the topic is advanced and developed ways and traditional and old ways. So we are supporting advanced and developed ways, and they are supporting traditional and old ways. So you can easily identify by the names advanced and olds. And as she said, she was talking about medicines. So if we see the old time, so we have no electricity, we have no machines. Even we did not know which disease patient has. Do you have any answer of it? Now we can easily identify which disease patient has. Do you have any answer of it? If you have to tell me.
Okay, Mr. Fahad, I want to say you that it's not the answer of my point, but if you are talking about that electricity you have and you have diseases, so you have nowadays at advanced and developed ways we have diseases, but in traditional and old ways people are more healthier.
I wanna give her first answer of her first question, that she said that 70% medicine we made of 80% made of medicine is made up of herbs. But I do not say that medicine has replaced the herbs. Medicine has been herbs has been converted into medicines. From that they can be stored, but directly herbs cannot be stored. And second thing is, what was your question, please?
I am saying that in previous time people are more healthier, but nowadays we have diseases that we can't understand. And nowadays, sir, we also not understand which disease we have.
It's not old time, it's not today's thing, it's old thing, because in old time we did not know what disease a person have, because we do not have this kind of treatment, this kind of tests, this kind of machines they can identify which disease a person has, and did not, we also did not have the solution of that. But now we can identify what's the solution of it, what's the treatment of it, and we can apply it on the patient.
I want to say that uh, in advanced and developed way, people are more lazier. I want to say that traditional and old ways, in traditional ways, people are not as much ill. That we nowadays we are not energetic. We are not we are not energetic. We have laziness. We can't.
Nowadays, machines are making pupils more lazy. It is not. In previous time, people are more healthy because they used to do their work on by their own. But we are relying on machines too much nowadays.
So she was talking about AI and machines. So sir, I will tell you, I want to tell you, AI, machines, and this ways like a fire. If you use wisely, so it can help you. But if you use badly, so it can also destroy you.
I'm Perisha and I want to answer your questions. And that was like it's on a person, like it's on a student or any person, how we are using it.
Why using wisely is not, it means that you are using it for very very less time, for example 1 hour in a day, 2 hour in a day, 3 hour in a day. But if you are using it 10 hour in a 10 hours in the day, 20 hours in the day, so it is not wisely, it's a bad, it will affect on you, it will show, it will make you lazy. That's why he was saying that same thing, that this is a wise way.
Okay, so you can say this to me, but how can you say this to another person? Like you cannot force someone to use it. Like they will use as much as they want, and they will use it. So you cannot stop someone to not use it because it's their choice, and they will use it. So we cannot force someone to not use it. Like you said, people are using it for 10 hours, for 5 hours, and for 2 hours, so it is harmful, but we are not forcing someone here.
Basically, I don't want to force someone to stop it, because this is their personal choice. They are busy in their personal life, and I am also busy in my personal life. This is their personal choice. What they want, they can do. I am nothing for them. They are also nothing for me.
My name is Shazib, and I want to say that every this nowadays everyone is using short and easier way to do their works. So why we cannot use AI that makes our 10 hours work into 2 hours work? So we just make our work easier and shorter than we do in the past. We do that work in 10 hours, but now we can do that work in 2 hours.
So hello, assalamu alaikum guys. Myself Isma and I am supporting tradition and old ways. So I have a question for them, and the question is that you are talking about AI, that it make our work easier. So don't you think it is killing our creativity, that we are not even able to make our presentation? We all rely on AI. So what do you think about it?
I say that we should use AI, but as much as less that we can. Like if some informations are that we cannot have, like a presentation about a city, we are not able to know everything about that city. If we use AI, so we can use some information from it about that city, but we should not make the whole presentation from AI. We should collect information from ChatGPT or AI, and we should make that presentation by ourselves.
It was not clear for me. Could you please simplify it?
I want to say that we should use AI, but as much as less we can. We should just collect information from AI, and then we should make presentation from then. We should not do like the we tell AI to make the whole presentation from it. We should collect information from it. That's it. We can make presentation from us. So why you are saying that we are not using our creativity? Not every person having the full information about anything. He he is not able to do anything. He should just collect any information from AI.
So yeah, I have got it, but I wanna say that it or in origin. Oh, sorry. But so I am saying that in old era, people didn't need any AI. Their creativity were enough to think about anything, and they were able to think anything. They didn't need any information they needed to take from AI. So I'm just saying that we all rely on AI. Without AI, we can't even make our activity. And you said that we can use as much as we can. No,
As much
as less as we can. So what about us? Girls, you use, yeah. So as he said that we should use AI as less as we can. So I am saying to him that we all use so much because we all rely on AI. Is it, girls?
So at that time we have no register and we have not that pen. So do you know how people write on a leaf with the help of feather? They drop in the ink the feather, and after that they start to write. So at the time you said that at the time there is no AI. So AI is not there nowadays we have AI. So I think we use AI but in a limit. So if just we can take information but do not copy AI. We should do we should convert into own words.
So are you talking about feathers that is used as like a pen? So don't you know that the idea of pen came from feather? And are you talking about knowledge? So the old people are more aware and more knowledgeable nowadays from us. They, as like our grandparents, as like our grandmothers, they are more experienced. We when we when we have any problem, so we talk to them and take idea from them. If we are more knowledgeable and we are more informative, so why we go there? Why we read history to know anything?
Okay, I hope you enjoyed it. So let's take an ending note so that we can get to know what's the result of it. So let's start with boys.
What do you think about it? Are we not developed? And why did we choose advanced and developed ways?
So I would like to end it, and I want to say, in the race of modernity, we must not forget the roots that taught us how to walk.
Would like to add too that we are developed because it's compulsion. But and I want to say all of you that be developed, but don't forget your real world.
I am just ending it, and I just want to say that advanced ways and developed ways are necessary of us. On the hand, traditional ways has been our past, but now advanced and developed ways has been included in everything, in engineering field, in doctor field, even it's going in everywhere, in teaching everywhere. So it is end by me.
So let's end it this. So as she said, what did she said? Old ways is better than advanced ways. So I am just telling you, if old ways is better than advanced ways, so why we all are using this ways? And even we are doing debate, it is also with the help of ChatGPT. Even we are sending our message, it is also with the help of mobile phone. Thank you for listening.